Hey there, fifth graders, this is Mrs. Shaver, and I'm sorry that I'm not there today. Today in grammar, we're going to continue our conversation with talking about complex sentences. And remember that a complex sentence, you can kind of put this up the top. This is going to go in the grammar section of our spiral. And remember that a complex sentence has two parts to it. It has an independent clause, a clause that can stand on its own, and it has the dependent clause, the part of the sentence that cannot stand on its own, okay? Last week we talked about some different conjunctions that we could use in our sentence to make complex sentences, and so this is that chart again, just to remind you of what we talked about last week. And today we're going to talk about correlative conjunctions. Ooh, we're getting fancy here. So correlative conjunctions are conjunctions that are paired together. We can think of them as besties, like BFFs. They are besties, okay? We can put BFF, best friends forever. These conjunctions are always paired together, okay? They have to be with the right partner. Some of them have more than one partner, but most of them have to be paired together. So for example, we can see some partners right here. I'm going to highlight them so that you can kind of see where I'm at. We have either and or. Either and or are partnered together. So look at it, how they use it in the sentence. I want either the cheesecake or the chocolate cake. Okay? Then we have things like both and. We'll have both the cheesecake and the chocolate cake. Then we have whether or. I didn't know whether you'd like the cheesecake or the chocolate cake, so I got both. And then this one is kind of one we don't hear as much, but you'll see it a lot on tests, and it's neither and nor. And it's kind of used when there's something that you don't want. So, oh, you want neither the cheesecake nor the chocolate cake? No problem. So this is kind of used, I think of it with something that's negative, something that you don't want. And then this is like using it with something, adding on something. Not only do I want something, but I also want something else. So I not only want the cheesecake, but also the chocolate cake. And then our last one is not and but. I see you're in the mood not for desserts, but appetizers. Okay, so we're going to see these partners working together, and you're definitely going to see sentences where they ask you, are they used correctly? And that mainly means, are you using the right partners together or the right besties together? So this week, mainly on our test, is going to focus on sentence combining to make complex sentences. So here's an example. They'll show you two sentences. Mrs. Shaver doesn't want to watch TV. Mrs. Shaver doesn't want to play a game. And then they'll say, what's the best way to combine these two sentences? Mrs. Shaver, let's see, I'm going to use this one, the negative one. Neither wants to watch TV nor play a game. Okay? So that's our focus this week in grammar. Best of luck to you.